Hello, I'm Marnie Proctor with the Asian Markets Overview for March 31. Most Asian stocks tumbled massively yesterday as the Obama government suggested bankruptcy for the struggling US car makers, while most major indices in Asia opened higher on Tuesday, despite a sharp loss on Wall Street, largely due to optimism in the local economy and corporate performance. To Asia Economy Watch, and Japan's unemployment rate rose to 4.4%, up from 4.1% in January, the Japanese government said Tuesday. The number of jobless surged 12.4% from the previous year to 330,000. Meanwhile, Japan's average monthly household spending dropped 3.5% in February from a year earlier to 266,044 yen, down for the 12th straight month. Household spending figures are a key indicator of individual spending, which accounts for about 55% of Japanese gross domestic product. To company news, and Japan's Sumitomo Electric Industries Limited says the electronics components maker is in talks with Toshiba Corporation to sell its stake in a nuclear fuel supplier. It's reported Toshiba's Westinghouse Electric Company wants to buy more than 50% of Nuclear Fuel Industries Limited, a 50-50 joint venture between Sumitomo Electric and Furukawa Electric Company. India's Tata Teleservices said Japanese firm NTT Docomo has hiked its stake in the firm to 12.12% through an open offer. Last year, Japanese telecom firm NTT Docomo had entered into an agreement to acquire a 26% stake in Tata Teleservices for $2.7 billion US. Unitech Wireless, the telecom arm of India's Unitech Limited, has shortlisted 4 firms for the purchase of telecom infrastructure equipment, says a source familiar with the development. The shortlisted firms are Ericsson, Alcatel-Lucent and China's Huawei and ZTE. SBBM Corporation, a SoftBank Corp unit, has sold over 490,000 Yahoo Japan Corporation shares this month, according to Japanese media. SBBM sold the shares for about 12.5 billion yen. Chinese power producer Datang International Power Generation Company said its net profit dived 77.4% last year on soaring coal costs and low domestic tariffs. The company said in a statement it planned to raise up to 5 billion yuan through a private placement to help finance several power projects. Shinhan Bank, a unit of South Korea's Shinhan Financial Group, said on Tuesday it was working to borrow between 250 and 300 million US dollars in foreign debt in April and would secure more foreign currencies via a bond sale this year. The bank also borrowed 90 million euros from 4 European institutions on Tuesday for 1 year at 250 basis points over the Euro interbank offered rate. You've been watching the Asian Business Overview for March 31. I'm Marnie Proctor for Asia Business News.